So in construction chapter, first exercise 11.1, we have to draw the line segment of the length 7.6, and then it should be divided into ratio of 5 is to 8. So when we are dividing in 5 is to 8 ratio, that means suppose we have a line AB and we are taking as a 8 5 that 13 centimeter. Suppose the length of AB is 13 centimeter, so we have to find a point, any point on AB, such that this part will be 5 centimeter and the remaining part will be 8 centimeter. So we are taking a line segment 7.6 centimeter and let give it name AB. So draw line segment AB equals to 7.6 centimeter. Now in the middle of page, arrange your ruler
Sir, at the middle or at next page?
at the next page on the middle. So this one is the AB with 7.6 centimeter. At point A, construct acute angle in lower half plane of AB. Going to construct the acute angle at the point A in the lower half plane of AB. This means downward. So you have to take A as a center and open your compass with any radius. Now draw an arc from A. Then next time you have to take this point as a center, and then you have to cut the same arc. Now remove your compass. Now we will construct a line to make this angle. Hmm, okay, this one is the acute angle. And if you want to measure this angle, na, it will be 60 degree. So that's why we have written that you have to construct the acute angle at point A. Point number third, take A as center and with any arbitrary radius cut an arc. So we are taking this ray as a AX. So write down here X. Cut an arc on ray AX and name it A1 from point A on the ray AX. इस AX के ऊपर हम आर्क कट करने
Sir,
वाले हैं.
same length.
with any radius. So what we will do, we have all 5 is to 8 ratio. So now the sum of the ratio 5 plus 8 will be 13. So we will construct 13 arc on AX. So you have to take your radius smaller. So we are cutting a first arc, name it A1. देन टेक A1 एज अ सेंटर, फिर अपने कंपास को A1 पे रखना है विद द सेम रेडियस कट अनदर आर्क A2, नाउ फ्रॉम A2 another arc A3, so on A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, 11, 12, 13. जो डिस्टेंस ऑफ ईच आर्क शुड बी सेम. मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं था तो मैंने कम कर लिया, बट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिक्रीज इट. So we will write here now A1 as center, cut another arc A2, from A2 cut A3 with same radius till A13. It means A1 is equals to A1 A2 is equals to A2 A3, then write here equal dot dot last one A12 A13. So next step we will join the last arc, that is A13, with the end point of line segment, means B. So right here join A13B and, okay, just leave it this one step, join A30B. So take out your ruler from the A13, join to B. So this one is A13 to B. Draw a parallel line of A13B from the ratio, first ratio is 5. So from A5, that will intersect AB at point M. Now open your compass with any radius. इस कंपास को जितना रेडियस चाहते हो उस रेडियस से ओपन कर दो. With any radius. Take
कर दिया सर।
A13 as a center. A13 के ऊपर needle को रखो. With the suitable radius, cut an arc on these two lines. Now remove your compass and place on A5. इस A5 पे रखना है. And with the same radius, cut another arc. Okay, this one is the another arc with the same radius.
सर मेरा तो फिगर के बाहर ही चला गया, इतना बड़ा मैंने कर लिया.
नाउ टेक, ये जो इंटरसेक्शन है ना, यहाँ पे अपने कंपास को एडजस्ट करो और पेंसिल को ओपन करते हुए यहाँ तक आओ। मीन्स दिस लेंथ शुड बी योर रेडियस। ये जो लेंथ है, एज अ रेडियस कंपास के अंदर एडजस्ट करो। नाउ विद द सेम रेडियस you have to take this point as a center and intersect on this arc. फिर हमने क्या किया, ये जो फर्स्ट वाला रेड आर्क था, इस आर्क के ये जो दो पॉइंट्स है, एज अ रेडियस हमने एडजस्ट किया और यहाँ से सेंटर लेके उसी रेडियस से आर्क ड्रॉ किया। सो ये इंटरसेक्शन मिला जो कि ये पहले हमें मिला था।
ओके सर।
सो मैं रेड वाला रिपीट किया था, उसको रिमूव कर दिया। So you have to join A5 with this. अपने A5 और इसको ड्रॉ करते हुए सीधी लाइन जाने दो। That line should be parallel to beat A13B. इस लाइन के पैरेलल लाइन होगी। That means distance will be equal. Suppose it is 3 centimeters, so each point distance will be 3 centimeter. And we have written that when we draw the parallel line of A13B from
सर
A5,
मेरा तो 5 है।
it will intersect AB at point M. So give it point M. Whatever the distance, तो ये जो point M होगा ना, that is less than MB because the first part is 5. So ये somewhere यहाँ पे मिलने वाला है तुम लोग के लिए।
हाँ वही मैं बोलने वाला था अभी सर।
I'm not going with the measurement ना।
यस सर।
So this should be less. So somewhere we will get by the measurement this side. So give it as a point M. Now we have to measure this ratio. So that is the 5 is to 8. So we'll write here, hence AM is to MB equals to 5 is to 8. Suppose we want to find the length of AM. So to find the length of AM, we will write here ratio of AM, that is 5 upon sum of ratio multiply by the length of total side. So that will be 5 by 13 into 7.6.
2.92।
2.9।
2.92, and approximate it should be 3. So when you measure with the ruler this length till M, it will be
Yes, sir, 3 है.
3
सर मेरा भी
centimeters.
3 आया।
So this is the justification by the numerical method. Now if we talk about the justification, so we have constructed that AM upon MB equals to 5 is to 8. ये by construction हमने complete किया. So now in the same way we have to prove that by the basic proportionality theorem. So by construction we have A13B that is parallel to A5M. So by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, that is theorem 6.1. If you forget, the proof is available on my YouTube channel. By the BPT theorem, we will apply in triangle A A13 and B. So we can prove here AM by MB is equals to, okay, then the another triangle A5M. So A5 by A5 to A13, or you can also write here as from the figure we can observe, see, A5 and A13 are 8 unit away from each other. So therefore we can write here A5 upon A5 to A13, that the first part is 5 unit away and the next part is 8 unit away. So in second method हमें लाइन तो कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी ही है. So we are constructing here AB, that is 7.6 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट मेथड में हमने क्या किया था, सिर्फ ए से आर्क ड्रॉ किया था और यहाँ पे एक्यूट एंगल बनाया था, राइट.
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड मेथड के अंदर ए से लोअर पोर्शन में एक्यूट एंगल बनाना है और बी से अपर पोर्शन में एक्यूट एंगल बनाना है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू रे AX AY. So now we need first part as a ratio of 5:8. तो इस लोअर पोर्शन में 8 आर्क कट करो, A1 A2 A3 A4 A5. Now with the same radius cut 8 arc on the ray BY. So B1 B2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then the last step, join A5 with B8, that will intersect AB at point M. So ये जो होगा, that will be fifth part and this side BM. It means AM ratio MB is equals to 5:8. And the next time for the justification, you have to prove these two triangles are similar. So by the BPT theorem, you have to prove this same part. I think this one is the more easier. Now, in first matter, you have to remember about the parallel line construction. और सेकेंड मेथड के अंदर हमने कोई भी पैरेलल लाइन कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं किया हुआ. वी जस्ट ज्वाइन A5 विद द B8. पहला रेशियो शुड बी डाउनवर्ड साइड, यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, एंड द सेकेंड रेशियो शुड बी अप साइड. अगर ऐसा नहीं किया तो ये वाला पार्ट 5 के बदले 8 मिलेगा और इधर वाला पार्ट 5 बनेगा, यानी हमारा रेशियो कंस्ट्रक्ट हो जाएगा 8:5, उल्टा हो जाएगा.